On expanding two brackets. Now in this first example, we're going to multiply together x plus 3 and x plus 5. Okay, so basically what that means is that everything in this bracket is going to be multiplied by everything in this bracket. And the way that I like to teach this is that I make this into a smiley face. Okay, so let me show you, and hopefully you can see the smiley face if you've got a good imagination. There's the left eyebrow, there's the right eyebrow, there's the nose, and there's the mouth. So if you squint a little bit, you might be able to see the smiley face. It's almost like a pair of glasses or a pair of goggles with the eyes. Yeah, okay. All right, so I'm going to take the left eyebrow first of all. X multiplied by x is equal to x squared. Now I'm going to look at the nose. Okay, so add 3 plus 3 multiplied by x is plus 3x. And then the same thing over here for the mouth, plus 5x. And then looking at the right eyebrow, we've got 3 multiplied by 5, which is 15. Okay, now the reason that I did it in that order, you might have expected me after the left eyebrow to go for the right eyebrow, is that I wanted to get these two x terms together in the middle. I wanted it to be in descending powers of x, and the nose and mouth were always the x terms. So what we get then, if we collect up the like terms, is 3x plus 5x, which is equal to 8x plus 15. Okay. All right, this hasn't got any like terms. There's no other x squared term. There's no other numbers. Okay, so it's just these two here, which combine to make the 8x. All right, let's look at another example. This time we'll have one that has a negative in it. So this time we'll have x plus 4 multiplied by x subtract 3. Okay, same process again. So left eyebrow, right eyebrow, nose and mouth. I'm going to start from the left hand side. X multiplied by x is x squared. The nose plus 4x. The mouth minus 3 multiplied by x is minus 3x. And the right eyebrow, 4 multiplied by negative 3 is negative 12. And so what we get then is x squared. Now we've got to look at them in the middle because we've got two x terms to combine together. So we're going to get 4x subtract 3x, which is 1x or just x, and then minus 12. Okay, all right. One more, we'll have one with two negatives. Okay, so e.g. 3. X, oh, whoops, what am I doing? X minus 2, x minus 8. So we're going to be multiplying these two brackets together. Again, I'm going to do eyebrows, nose and mouth. So what we get is x squared. I'm going to go for the nose next, minus 2x, mouth minus 8x, and then right eyebrow plus 16. And so what I get then is x squared minus 10x plus 16. Okay, now if you're really savvy about this, you might have noticed some patterns. Let's have a look at these three examples. Notice that this 8, how do we get 8 from 3 and 5? We add them together, don't we? So let's look at the x terms in the middle first. 4 minus 3, well, that's what we did, wasn't it? We got 1x there. And here we've got minus 2 minus 8, gives us the coefficient here of the x term, minus 10. And obviously the number on the end is always multiplying the two numbers. So 3 times 5 is 15. We've got here 4 times minus 3, which is minus 12. And we've got minus 2 times minus 8, which is plus 16. So let's have a look at doing one super quickly without doing the smiley face method then. Let's try this. X plus 4, x minus 7. So what's this? e.g. 4. Okay, so we've got x squared. Now 4 subtract 7, if we're going to use that method, is minus 3x. And then we've got minus 28. Okay, so when it comes to, I mean, this might be useful in general. Okay, if you've just got x, 1x here plus a multiplied by x plus b, then what this gives us is always x squared plus a plus b x plus ab. Okay, that's just quite nice sometimes, just to speed up the process. Of course, there's nothing wrong with doing the smiley face method, but as you get, do a few of these questions, you'll notice naturally that this is what's happening. Okay, we add up the numbers to get the coefficient of x, and we multiply them to get the number on the end of the quadratic expression. Okay, But the only thing is it doesn't work. Let's just make this clear. It doesn't work when we've got coefficients of x that are not 1. So like, for instance, 2x plus 3 multiplied by 3x plus 1, okay? In this instance, we can't do it because look at what happens to the nose and mouth. We get 9x here and we get 2x, okay? That's not the same as 3 plus 1. So they're getting multiplied by different numbers when we have this sort of scenario. So we just have to use the smiley face method. So 2x times 3x is 6x squared. Go for the nose next. It's three lots of 3x, which is 9x. We've then got one lot of 2x, which is 2x. And then we've got 3 times 1, which is 3. So our answer there is 6x squared plus 11x plus 3. Okay. Another sort of variation that you might encounter, which one was that? Was that EG5? So EG6 now. Another one that you might have is something like this. So we might have something like 2x plus 1 all squared. Okay, so that's testing your understanding of what squaring means. Squaring means that we're going to multiply something by itself. So really what's happening here is this. Okay, and so all we need to do, again, the coefficients of x aren't 1, so we have to do the smiley face method. And so what we're going to end up with is 2x multiplied by 2x, 4x squared. The nose is 1 times 2x, which is 2x. The mouth is another 2x. And the number on the end is 1 times 1, which is 1. So what we get then is 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. Okay, so I hope that's been nice and comprehensive so far on how to expand 2 brackets. If you enjoy my videos, please do press subscribe. It helps others to find me. And I really hope that your follow-up work goes well on this. Good luck.